My wife was in Florida and she accidentally dropped her Apple phone into the toilet, so it was toasted. And I had to get it to her the same day because she had an interview. So I went to the Apple store in Grand Central and they were really good. They got everything done for me. They even shipped it for me because I didn't have time to ship it and she needed it by the end of that day. So they got it done, got the shipping and sent the phone over there. So it was, for me, it was like the best experience. You're in a situation where you're desperate and you're looking for a solution and the person can give you that solution. It makes you feel good. Spending, even though it cost a lot, but it was worth it.